The plan for this chapter is to learn about accessing the home page in levels 2 and 3, as well as the features and navigation of the home page. Let's get started. When a student accesses the software, she is brought to the home page within her portfolio. We will show Meg's portfolio as an example of a path a student would use. At the top of the page is a banner. On the left is the name of the student. In the right corner, there is a meter which shows the storage capacity. Each student has been assigned a certain amount of storage space for ePEARL. This is determined at the school board or district level by the administrator of the software. A student will not be able to add new work once the meter is full. Next to the meter is a language button, which allows the students to switch the interface from English to French at any time. Finally, there is a log out button, which signs the student out of her portfolio and brings her back to the login page. As you see, Megan created a banner for her portfolio. The menu bar consists of 5 features: Home, Artifacts, Presentations, Personalize, and Parent Mode. Later in this tutorial, we will go through each menu bar section to introduce you to the features of each one. In the center of the home page, a student could add a welcome message and a picture to her portfolio. The student also has a to-do list to use as an agenda. Clicking on the blue plus sign can add a new item to the list, such as finish writing my general goals. Then the student clicks on the blue diskette to save or the green X to cancel this new task. Once the student saves, the new task will appear on the to-do list. She can also click on the pencil to edit a task or X to delete. To stimulate the self-regulated process of learning, a student is prompted to write about her general goals. She will see these every time she logs in, which serves as a reminder of the goals originally set. Below the general goals in green is a space for the teacher's comments. Teacher comments can help encourage progress and guide student reflection during the term. In this homepage, the student can also receive feedback on her entire portfolio from teachers, peers, and parents. Why do you think it is important for a student to read feedback on her homepage? In this chapter, you have learned how to access the homepage in levels 2 and 3, as well as the features and navigation of this homepage. Now it's your turn. Open your demo account and practice yourself. You can also print these instructions by clicking on the Print button.